Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to join the family, and if you are my returning subscribers, thank you for sticking with me and I really appreciate you guys. So guys, my skin is really going through some hard problems. Yes, they're going through some hard problems. You can see it, like, let me come closer. You can see it, like, so my face, it look a little bit rough now, and you know, we girls, we like to always take care of ourselves and all of that. So I have been seeing some YouTuber, and I'm seeing so many people doing or using turmeric face masks to clean their spots and their acne. So I said to myself, why not try it and see if it is going to work? So I decided to bring it up here, and today I'm going to be starting it, and I'm going to try it for 5 days, and I will bring my own honest opinion about it, if it will work or not. So I decided to try it out if it's going to work on me. So guys, I'll be showing you guys the ingredients I'm going to be using to do it, and I'll be doing this face mask just for 5 days, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion about it, if it is working or not. So guys, let's go straight. So guys, I'll be using some drop, like 5 or 6 drop of lemon and sweet almond oil. Guys, basically you can use tea tree oil if you have, but I'm going to be using sweet almond oil and turmeric and honey. So I'm just going to be combining these 4 ingredients together to give me my face mask. And the turmeric lemon is optional. You can put it if you want, and you cannot also not put it if you also do not want. It's optional, it's up to you, but I decided to put it so I see the difference. And also guys, if you have tea tree oil, it's very good. You can also use tea tree oil for this instead of sweet almond oil. I don't have tea tree oil now, that's why I'm using sweet almond oil. So guys, I'm just going to be adding some drops of the lemon.
You found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why
So guys, this eye, it's look, I just finished making it, and so you have to apply it with whatever you have. If you have brush, it's more better, but I'm just going to be applying it with this spoon.
you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.
after you finish applying it, what you want to do is to leave it for about 20 minutes, and then you wash it off with a soap. So I'm going to be using my dudu soap to wash it off when I'm through after 20 minutes. So now guys, it's up to 20 minutes. I'm going to wash it off and show you guys how it looks on my face now. So guys, I just finished washing my face and my face looks shiny, and that's it. It looks more shiny than before. So I'll give you guys the results.
You found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. You found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
So guys, today is the last day of the 5 days Tumeric challenge, and I've already made it down. So I'm just going to be to start with my honest opinion, or my honest thought is Tumeric work. Yes, so you can see there's a lot of changes on my face, like a lot of changes on my face, and my face is more lighter than before, and yeah, there's a changes. But Tumeric doesn't work fast. It goes slowly. It doesn't just work miracle at once. So let's apply it.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some.
So guys, I am back. I've washed it off and I applied my sweet almond oil on my face to moisturize my face. So to be honest with you guys, the turmeric face masks work, and it works slowly. Yeah, that is my honest opinion and what I have observed. So for it to work perfectly for me to get the result I want, I'm going to try it for a month to see the perfect result on my face. So guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not, and please leave a comment below if you have tried this turmeric face mask before, and please share heart the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys all in my next video. Bye.